What happens when a pro chef and a home cook swap ingredients? Today, we're putting a $500 steak dinner against a $16 budget meal, and the results might surprise you. Stick around for the ultimate taste test. Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today, we're diving into a high-end versus budget cooking challenge. A professional chef will have to make a budget-friendly meal, while a home cook tackles a luxurious $500 steak dinner. Who will pull it off better? Let's find out. Let's break down the ingredients. The gourmet steak dinner features premium ingredients like butter-basted ribeye, caviar, black truffles, and Bordelaise sauce. On the flip side, the budget-friendly steak includes flank steak, a Coca-Cola marinade, soy sauce, cheddar, and russet potatoes. The challenge? Each cook must swap their ingredients and make the best meal possible. Time to prepare the steaks. For the high-end approach, a butter-basted ribeye with black truffle shavings. The budget route? A Coca-Cola and soy sauce marinated flank steak. Now let's talk side dishes and elevating those flavors. Fancy potatoes? We've got fondant potatoes versus twice-baked cheddar potatoes. And for the vegetables, broccolini with wild mushrooms versus roasted broccoli with soy and garlic. Cooking and plating time. We're searing steaks for that perfect crust, creating a rich Bordelaise sauce versus a Coca-Cola glaze, and plating the dishes for a restaurant-quality presentation. And now, the final results and taste test. We'll compare flavors, textures, and overall execution. Did the budget meal hold up against the gourmet version? Which dish was the ultimate winner? This was an epic steak battle. Some flavors were surprisingly amazing, while others, not so much. Which steak would you rather try? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more crazy food challenges. Want to see more fine dining versus budget cooking challenges? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for more exciting matchups.